Let me show you how to use your flash for camera on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and also 17 Pro Max. So when you are taking pictures and videos, if you also want to use a flashlight on the back of your phone, it's very easy. So you simply click on the top of your screen here where you have these 6 dots, and then you can enable the flash over here in various different modes. For example, we have auto mode where the flash will automatically detect if it needs to be used, for example if it's dark enough, and also this on mode where it will get used at all times. So you see, if I'm taking a picture, also a flash is being used pretty much no matter how like dark or bright around it is around you essentially. But yeah, if you enable it in the auto mode, then again only if it's like very dark around you, only then the flash will get used. Also you'll see kind of this like green thing also appear here. So for example, you see kind of hard to actually even get it to come up. So see on the left side you have like a flash sign, so I'm not sure if you can see that well, but if it's plenty dark it will also use a flash here. But again, so it needs to be kind of dark for it to come up. And same for video mode. So for video mode again, you can enable on the auto, on and off mode. So for example, in video mode, if you want a bit more light, basically to illuminate whatever you want. Okay, apologies, I actually didn't set it. So let's set it on this on mode. So you see when I'm recording video, the flash is being used at all times. Okay, good luck.